Welcome to my channel. I'm Lina and this is a full body morning yoga stretch. No props are needed, so just roll out your mat and let's get started. So come lying on your mats, on your back, bringing your knees into your chest. You might want to do some hip circles one way and then the other way. Might even want to bring your head towards your knees, just feeling a gentle stretch on the back of your neck and then coming down. You might want to put your hands behind your knees, your calves, or even your feet. This is called happy baby. You're just moving around. Maybe you want to stretch one leg one way, the other way, both legs. And then bringing both feet onto the mat. Bringing one foot onto the opposite knee and bringing your hands behind the thigh or the shin and then pulling it towards you, feeling a lovely stretch on your hip. Then bringing that foot down and then just doing a stretch and then going into a twist. Just feeling a lovely stretch here on the hip and then bringing it to center. Bringing the other foot now to opposite knee, bringing the hands behind the thigh or shin, pulling it towards you, waking up the hips in the morning, and then bringing this down. And then coming into a stretch, your other direction, getting a lovely stretch on your hip. Now, while you're in this stretches, just think about one word on how you would like your day to go, because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. Just one word. It's always great to start your day with thinking on how you would like your day. You might as well be intentional about it. Now we're just going to take our legs one way like a windshield wiper and then the other way. Again, one way and then the other way. One more time. One way and then the other way. And then rolling to one side and coming to seated. Bringing your feet together now. Just going to do a gentle twist, bringing one hand on the opposite knee, the other hand behind you, breathing in and stretching up. And as you breathe out, pushing on your knee gently and twisting as you breathe out. And then coming to center, placing that opposite hand on opposite knee, the other hand behind you, breathing in, stretching up. And as you breathe out, just doing a gentle twist and then coming to center. Now we're going to come on all fours, tabletop. So spreading your fingers, spreading your toes on the mat, just gently lifting up, and then you kind of come back as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, just coming down again. Breathe in, coming back, and as you breathe out, coming down again. Breathe in, coming back, and this time you're going to stay here, lifting one leg up and then bringing it behind you, stacking the hips on top of each other, and then straightening that leg and coming forward into a lunge, breathing in and stretching up. Breathe in here, breathe out and come down. Breathe in, stretch up. And coming down, taking that front leg back, onto the mat. Now take the other leg, bring it up, take it behind you if you can. Stack your hips on top of each other, bring it back to the center and bring it in front. Breathing in and stretch up. Breathing out, come down. Breathing in, stretch up. And as you breathe out, place hands on the mat. Take that front foot back. And now you're going to come down onto the mat. Into plank. Now if there's too much for you, bring your knees down. And then come down slowly. All the way down. And then just taking a deep breath in and just coming up. Take a breath here. You can stay here or come all the way up. Take a breath and come all the way down. And then coming up slowly, come back onto your hips. Just take a moment here, thinking about your word on how you want your day to go. Feeling energized with this yoga practice, remembering whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So just take a couple of deep breaths here. Become centered. Feeling energized. One more deep breath in and breathe out. Coming up slowly. Come to seated. Placing your hands on your heart center. Thinking about that one word on how you want your day to go. Because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. And gently open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this practice. Do let me know what your one word was on how you would like your day to go. If you enjoyed this practice, subscribe and share with somebody else who would benefit from this class. And let me know if you would like me to create a different class. And so until next time, I look forward to practicing with you. Namaste.